Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Stella Live, and in today's video I have a Michaels Halloween haul. I did go to Michaels several times and picked up a couple of pieces each time. I'm not going to talk too much in the intro, I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in. The first thing that I picked up are these bat pillar candle holders. I saw someone post these on Instagram before I even saw them in the store. And I ended up doing an online order because I didn't know what was going to sell out and I didn't know when I was going to be able to make it to the store. So I picked up two of these and these were $16.99 a piece. I'm just going to tell you the prices of everything. I know that I didn't pay this much or I didn't pay the original price for several of the items. I don't really remember how much I paid because I used coupons and then I went when they had their sales. So these originally are $16.99, but I thought these were so cute. And these are something that I can keep out all year long. Get a close-up for you. I just thought that these were so cute. So I picked up two of those. All right, the next item that I have is this bat sign. And it says, "The Bat Room, open 24 hours. And obviously you can hang it on the wall. I thought that this would look cute on my bathroom door or above my bathroom door. The bat room, bathroom, aha, get it. Anyways, I picked this up and this was also $16.99. Okay, the next piece that I have to share with you guys, and some of you guys might laugh at me for this, it is the Edgar Allan Poe bust. And if you didn't notice, I do already have this, but I spray painted it black and I regretted it after I did it. I actually painted it white first and then I really hated it. So then I spray painted it black and I liked it a little bit better. And I just had so much regret. So I ended up picking him up again this year. He's not getting touched. I'm probably still going to keep this one. But this guy will replace him. And this was $29.99, and I did do an online order for this too because I didn't know if it was going to be there when I got there. This guy, I found him at the end of the season. I went in, I saw him, didn't buy him, went back, and he was gone. And then at the end of the season, I seen him. So you never know what's going to be at the store if you pass up on it. Okay, the next item that I got, I'm really excited about this piece because it's a cat. I love cats. It is a black cat, and I thought that this would look so cute in my room when I redo it. I'm going to do that in October. I've said this several times, so hopefully I actually follow through with my words because sometimes I don't. But I'm trying to stick to what I'm promising. Sometimes life gets in the way. But anyways, it's just this majestical black cat. Need I say more? And this was $29.99, but I will say this. I do think that Michaels overprices the portraits. I did only pay 20 bucks for this, but even 20 bucks I feel like is a lot just because of the quality of it. But I couldn't pass it up. I asked my daughter if I should buy it and she was like, yes. And then like, I don't know, a couple minutes later, a couple came by and snagged the other one because there was only two. And I was like, well, I'm so glad that I picked it up because who knows, there were so many people walking in and out of the aisle. I was like, who knows if somebody else would have came along and grabbed it. So I'm really glad that I picked it up when I did. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this ghost incense holder. And I will tell you how much I paid for this because I feel like I stole it. So this was originally $29.99 and then I had coupons. I don't know how many coupons I had. I had like a $20 off my entire purchase. I only bought this. And then they also gave me another discount. So I paid $4 for this. And it was originally $30. I'm gonna have to, if I can find some incense, I will have to, or does it come with incense? Let's find out. Okay, it does not look like it comes with incense, so I'm going to see if I can try and find some. And if I do, I will put like a video clip on the screen of what it looks like. If not, maybe I'll do like a shorts video of it. But this little ghosty guy is so cute. And I actually tried doing something like this last year with a skull inside of a jar and it just didn't turn out. It did turn out, but it didn't turn out. And I didn't want anybody's houses catching on fire. So I felt like putting the DIY out was not a good idea. So I didn't end up posting it. But yeah, I thought this was so cute. Alright, next I have a few of the changing photos that I purchased, and I actually passed on these when I was doing my walkthrough. I was like, these are cool. I love these. I really do. But they were like, yeah, $7 full price. And I was like, you know what? I'm just going to wait until they go on sale. Well, they were on sale. I got them for $4 a piece, but they were almost all gone. These were really popular. I didn't realize how popular they are. I've always loved them, and I've complained before, I feel like, them not doing these very often. And then I passed them up and they were just almost gone. So I feel really lucky that I got the ones that I did. But I got this one. I think he's supposed to be, what, a vampire? Yeah, a vampire. And then we have the lady vampire. Sorry about the glare. It's from my ring light and I'm sitting right next to a window. And then we have, I'm not big on the kids and the babies, but this one I didn't feel like was too terrible for me, but I definitely cannot do the baby ones. We have this one. And then the last one I have is this woman holding some dismembered heads. And these can be hung on the wall, or you can use the little kickstand on the back. So again, these were originally $6.99. Your store might not have them though, because apparently they're very popular. All right, now I'm going to be moving on to their other collection that they have. And I think I talked about this in one of my videos that a couple, it might have been my walkthrough. A couple came through and said this is for this line is for the sad beige people. I already forget what the line is called. Maybe I'll put it on the screen. But I did end up personally picking up a few pieces myself. I actually think I bought more from that line than the, what is it, Midnight Moon collection? Or am I getting them backwards? Okay, anyways, the point is, I picked up quite a few pieces from this line, and it's not something I'm normally drawn towards because of the color. I usually like black, but I got this haunted house frame, and it does light up. Ooh, spooky. And I thought that this would look good in my room. This actually looks really good right next to the wall decor piece from Cracker Barrel. So I might put it next to, beneath, above that piece. I haven't decided yet, but I thought that this was really cool. So this was, how much was this? $24.99. And then they had another one I wasn't too fond of, I guess. I almost bought it just because I wanted the pair, but then I was like, I don't really like it. So I left that one. And then the next piece that I have is this skull. And I really love this. It's super simple, but I love this skull. And this was $9.99. And then the next thing that I got is this witchy hand holding a cauldron. Now, again, this is not something that I would normally be drawn towards because of the color, and I feel like it doesn't match anything that I have, but I did. Again, I bought several pieces from this line, and I feel like I could incorporate it into the stuff that I already have if I'm just wise about how I pair everything together, if that makes any sense. I did think about painting this. I really would love this to be black and then her nails to be red, and then her rings and stuff to be black. But because I have made poor choices in the past, I am going to leave it alone for a little bit, see if it grows on me, see if I can make it work somehow. But yeah, I just thought this was a really cool piece, and this is really freaking heavy. It's got a really good weight to it. And this was $29.99. Alright, now we are moving on to some of the more exciting pieces from this line. The next thing that I'm going to show you is this skull, and I don't really know how to explain it other than it's a skull with bandages wrapped around it, so kind of like a mummy, I guess. It's a mummy head. But I thought this was cool. The cashier also commented when he was scanning it, he looked at it and he was like, oh, this is cool. And I was like, I literally thought the same thing when I picked it up, when I saw it the very first time. I did end up going back to the store for him at a later date, so I was really excited that he was still there. And this was $29.99. Okay, the next piece that I have is this veiled lady holding a skull, and then there's another skull down here. This was, I think I might have did an online order for this, but I thought this piece, again, is so cool. The skull, it's very detailed. And then down here, I don't know, I just love this. Freaking cool. And then this was $24.99. All right, and then the last piece that I have to share with you is this Wraith. And there is like a little candle down here. It's supposed to light up, but there's no batteries in it, so I can't show you. But I did originally leave this at the store because, oh no, the price tag's not on it. I think it was like 70 bucks, and I had a really hard time coming to terms with that price for what it is. I didn't think it was worth 70 bucks. But I ended up paying, was it 70 bucks? I'll have to look it up online. Anyways, I ended up paying, I think, 30 for it. So I ended up getting it. 30 seemed more reasonable. Even then it seems a little steep, honestly. I don't know, maybe 30 is good. But anyways, it is a very cool piece. I might add a little more, what's it called? I did think about spray painting it black, but again, mistakes. Anyways, I don't know, some depth to it, I guess is the word I'm looking for. But yeah, this is a really cool piece. Alright, that is going to be it for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do plan on uploading some long-form DIYs this week. I have been uploading DIYs, but they have been in my YouTube shorts. So if you are interested in them and have missed out on them, I will link them down below if you want to check them out. And I might be doing a walkthrough. And then, this is a lot. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this many videos in 1 week, but I was thinking about maybe going through my Halloween totes. I do it every year. I don't know if you guys still want to see that. Sometimes I buy things and I don't share them, and then sometimes I get rid of things and you guys don't know that I got rid of them. So there's always something new in my totes that you guys have not seen. So let me know if you guys want to see that. Otherwise, I won't waste my time with it because it is a very time-consuming video. So with that being said, I'm going to end the video here. I hope to see you guys all next time. Bye!